Good morning, students. We are going to start lecture 6 of chapter 7 for class 11th CBSE and ICSE English medium. Okay. In this chapter we have started in previous lecture regarding acids and bases. So what are acid and what are base? Acid according to various theory. Which theories are given? First was Arrhenius theory, according to which a substance which gives HIN is acid and which gives OHN is base. And in Lowry-Bronsted concept, a substance which is a proton donor in aqueous solution is acid and proton acceptor is base. Okay, and in Lewis theory, according to Lewis, lone pair donor are base and lone pair acceptor are acids. Okay, so we discussed about this. Now first of all come to the ionic equilibrium. What is ionic equilibrium? If an electrolyte, for example, AB is an electrolyte, and if electrolytes ionizes into cation or anion, okay, it is an electrolyte which on ionization or dissociation forms cation or anion, okay. And after some time, these cation and anion combine and form again electrolyte. Then the equilibrium form is known as ionic equilibrium. Okay, electrolyte in aqueous solution. Okay. So what is electrolyte? So what is electrolyte? Electrolyte is a substance which can ionize, dissociate and conduct electricity in the form of ions, is known as electrolyte. Okay. Electrolyte may be two types: strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. Strong which ionizes completely, weak which ionizes partially. So electrolyte may be acid, may be base, may be salt. Clear? Okay. So when we know about acid and base, the third term comes, that is salts. Okay, salts are of four types. So this salt is again a electrolyte. Okay, one salt is made by strong acid and strong base. Strong acid or strong base. Strong acid is HCl and strong base is NaOH. So which salt is formed? NaCl. Strong acid, strong base salt is NaCl. Okay. Second is strong acid, weak base salt. Strong acid is HCl plus weak base is NH4OH. So again a salt is formed, that is NH4Cl. It is an example of strong acid, weak base. Okay. Third is weak acid, strong base salt. Okay. Weak acid means acetic acid and strong base is NaOH. Then it will form again a salt is formed, that is sodium acetate. Now weak acid plus weak base. Okay, weak acid like acetic acid, and weak base is like we can say NH4OH. So salt is formed, that is okay. So it is weak acid, weak base, salt. Clear? So salts are of 4 types, or we can say electrolytes are of 4 types. It may be formed by strong acid, strong base, strong acid, weak base, weak acid, strong base, or weak acid, weak base. Clear? If we add this electrolyte in water, solution will be neutral. Solution का nature कैसा होगा? Nature of solution is always will be neutral. If strong acid, weak base is added in water, then solution will be acidic. If weak acid, strong base is added, then solution will be basic. And here again solution will be neutral. Okay. So which part of an electrolyte is strong, the nature of solution will be like that. Here acid is strong, so it is acidic. Base is strong, is basic. It is neutral, and it is again a neutral. Okay. So these are the types of salts. Clear? Now come to the pH scale. What is pH scale? pH scale. We can say it is the scale used to verify the nature of solution. Whether a solution is acidic in nature or whether a solution is basic in nature, like this. Okay. So nature means whether nature is acidic or basic. We will use pH scale. It is the minus logarithm of H ion, that is equals to pH. Okay. Clear? If H ion concentration is more than 10 raised to power minus 7, if H ion concentration is more than 10 raised to power minus 7, then pH will be less than 7, means 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and solution will be called acidic solution. Okay. If H ion concentration is less than 10 raised to power minus 7, then pH will be more than 7, like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then solution will be called basic. Okay. If H ion concentration is 10 raised to power minus 7, then pH will be 7 and solution will be neutral. Okay. Clear? So there are so many questions. For example, so we can calculate by this. For example, a solution has OH ion concentration 10 raised to power minus 4. Find the pH. Okay. It has given the concentration of OH ion. Okay. So how we will solve this question? To solve this question, we should know another relation, that is H ion concentration. OH ion concentration is equals to 10 raised to power minus 14. Okay, means HN concentration is minus 7, OHN concentration is 10 raised to power minus 7. Therefore, it is equals to like this. Clear? Okay. So, to calculate this type of question, we should know, and this 10 raised to power minus 14 is equals to Kw. What is Kw? It is the ionic product of water. It is the ionic product of water. What is ionic product of water? Suppose, okay, suppose a reaction like this. Okay, two molecules of water combine and form hydronium ion and OH negative ion. Then what will be K? Equilibrium constant. It will be equals to hydronium ion OH ion upon H2O का square. Okay, clear? Okay. So it is equilibrium constant, and the concentration of water remains constant. So when we multiply, cross multiplies this, therefore K into H2O का whole square is equals to hydronium ion and OH ion, and hydronium ion can write like H ion and like OH ion, and this is constant and it is also constant. So a new constant arises, that is Kw. Okay. So what is Kw? Kw is the ionic product of water. Clear? Okay. And another relation is also, therefore we have no pH is equal to minus log HI. In similar way, POH will be equals to minus log OHI negative. Okay, clear? And pH plus POH equals to 14. So here it is one equation, it is two equation, it is three equation, and it is four equation. Okay, clear? So how do we solve this question? In this question, first we find out the question में find out करना है हमें pH. So first of all we will find out HIN. HIN is Kw upon OHIN. Kw is 10 raised to power minus 14. OHIN is 10 raised to power minus 4. So therefore HIN is 10 raised to power minus 10. That's why minus log HIN is equals to pH, and that will be equals to minus log 10 raised to power minus 10, means pH will be 10. Clear? So you have to solve question like this. Okay? Thank you.